Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order is. Now we know area of a rhombus is given by half into d1 into d2 square units. Now in order to find the area we need to find length of diagonal 1 and length of diagonal 2, and since we are given the vertices we can find the lengths. The vertices are taken in order, so let's take them, let's give them some names. 3, 0, a 3, 0, b 4, 5, c minus 1, 4, c and d minus 2, minus 1. Now diagonals d1 equal to AC, which is equal to, let's see, length of diagonal AC is nothing but distance between points A and C, and that is given as x1 plus x2, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square units. So that is x1 is 3 under root of 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. So that is equal to 3 minus of minus 1 is 3 plus 1. So that is 4 whole square. So we get 4 square plus, again this is also 4 square. So this is nothing but 4 root 2 units. So we get D1 equal to AC. Let's find D2. Similarly, D2 is equal to BD, and this length of BD is nothing but distance between points B and D. So x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square units. So that is equal to under root of 4 minus of minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 4 minus of minus 2 is 4 plus 2, which is 6 square. 6 square plus 5 minus of minus 1 is 5 plus 1, which is again 6 square. So we can write this as 6 root 2 units. So D2 equal to BD equal to 6 root 2 units. And thus area will be equal to half into AC into BD, which is equal to half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. Now we know root 2 into root 2 is 2. So this will cancel out with this 2 in the denominator, and the area is 6 fours are 24 square units area. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option B, 24 square units.